Welcome to Part 2 of Workflow Analysis. In Part 2, we will be discussing the key steps involved in conducting a workflow analysis in a warehouse. Step 1. The first step in conducting a workflow analysis is to define the scope of the analysis. This involves identifying the process or task that will be analyzed. For example, you might want to analyze the receiving process or the order fulfillment process. Step 2. The next step is to map the process. Mapping the process involves creating a visual representation of the process flow. This can be done using flowcharts, diagrams, or process maps. Mapping the process helps to identify the different steps in the process, the inputs and outputs of each step, and the flow of materials and information. Step 3. Once the process has been mapped, the next step is to identify bottlenecks within the process. Bottlenecks are areas where the flow of materials or information is restricted, leading to delays and inefficiencies. Bottlenecks can be identified by analyzing cycle times, lead times, and waiting times. Step 4 is to collect data on the process. This can include data on cycle times, lead times, waiting times, and quality. Keep in mind faster productivity can at times have negative impact on quality. Data can be collected using time studies, surveys, or process observation. Step 5. Once the data has been collected, the next step is to analyze the data. This involves identifying patterns, trends, and opportunities for improvement. Data can be analyzed using statistical process control, Pareto charts, or trend analysis. Step 6. The final step is to develop and implement improvements. This can include developing standard operating procedures, implementing training programs, or investing in new technology. Improvements should be developed and implemented based on the data and analysis conducted in the previous steps. In conclusion, conducting a workflow analysis in a warehouse is an essential step in improving productivity, reducing costs, and improving quality. By following these key steps, warehouse managers can identify bottlenecks, standardize processes, eliminate waste, and implement continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us in this module. See you in the next one.